Hello and welcome to my today's video. In today's video, we'll learn how you can make your PC or laptop very fast. Okay, so now as we download lots of applications in our laptop or PC, so because of that, our system gets quite slow, and because of so much of online work, we tend to get we make our PC or laptop little bit slow. So in today's video, we'll learn how we can make our PC or laptop fast in just 5 minutes. Yeah, in just 5 minutes, in less than 5 minutes, we will learn how we can make our PC or laptop fast. Okay, so what is the first way? The first way is to uninstall rarely used software. So sometimes do get uh, we download softwares or applications in our laptop which are of no use. So what we need to do is, first of all, we need to go into settings, and then once you go into the settings, you will see an option of you go into the apps and then apps and features, and from apps and features you will see the apps list of apps which are installed on your PC or laptop. So over here I can see the list where all the apps are installed, and if I want I can uninstall those applications which I rarely use or which are of no use for my day-to-day work. The next thing is disable startup apps. So to disable startup apps, what we need to do is we need to go into um, we need to search for startup apps, right? So we will search for startup, and then you'll see over here the option of startup apps, and in the settings you will see all the apps which are started, right? On the when you log in, you can see these apps get automatically start. So you can disable these applications, right? The ones which you don't want to load or to begin in the startup. Okay, and now the third thing which you can do is you can clean the prefetch folder, right? So to clean the prefetch folder, what we need to do is we need to again go into search, and we need to type in run. Then once we open run, we need to search for prefetch. So I'll just type out prefetch, and in this prefetch folder delete we will permanently delete all these items in the prefetch folder. So we just need to click on shift plus delete, and then we need to type yes. So we need to press shift plus delete on our keyboard, and it will permanently delete all the items in the prefetch folder. Okay, and then we can close this, and then The fourth one is we need to clean the temp folder, and again we need to clean this from the run option. So again we open the run, and then we will just type %temp percent, and then click on OK. And then again what we will do is we will press Ctrl A and Shift plus delete, and we'll click on enter, and this will delete all the temporary files or folders. And cleaning this is absolutely safe for your PC or laptop, as it will not harm or bring any changes in your system. And the fifth one and the last one is restart your PC or your laptop, right? So this is the last thing which you can do, and restarting can help really for your system, as it can update the updates which are already installed, and it can also do some necessary changes in the boot which can make it more faster to use, right? So these were the five steps by which we can really make our system quite fast in less than 5 minutes. So I hope you like this video, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.